Hello my beautiful ones, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be preparing chicken stew. So without wasting time, let's get into this video. So I'm using my fresh chicken. I'm using the hard chicken. As you can see, it's very fresh, already washed. I have my peeled tomatoes, garlic and ginger, salt, white pepper. I have here my spice, 1 seasoning cube, bay leaves, pepper. I have blended ginger and onion, curry powder, rosemary, red onion, spring onion, bell pepper, and fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, my blended ginger and onion, chopped onion, white pepper. I'm adding about a teaspoon of white pepper, and then my bay leaf, and I'm going to add a seasoning cube. I'll cover this and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. So this has been cooking for 15 minutes now, and I'm just going to stir and mix everything together. And then I'll go ahead and add about a cup of water, and then I'm going to cover it, and then I'll allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. So sorry guys, I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. I did not show you. So as my chicken is on the fire, I'm going to go ahead and blend all my ingredients together: the tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic. I'll be blending everything together. So if you are first in my channel, you are highly welcome. And to all my subscribers and all my supporters, I said a very big thank you. If this is the first time, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, share my video, comment. So I blended my ingredients, and now I'm going to go ahead and slice all the rest of my ingredient, which is the onion, the bell peppers, and then also the spring onion. I'm going to be slicing everything. You can slice this anyhow, any way you want. It can be in cubes, it can be any size you want, but for me this is the size I want to. So as you can see, I've already finished slicing all my veggies, and the chicken has been well cooked. As you can see, all the water is almost dried up. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and fry my chicken. I add the oil to my pan, and then I'll add a slice of onion. I'll allow it to fry for about 1 minute, and then I add my chicken, and I'll just fry it to get this golden brown color. And at this point, I'm going to use the same oil to prepare my stew. So I'll just transfer the oil into another pan, and I'll add my sliced onions. And then I'm going to be frying this onion for about 2 minutes until it is well softened. I don't want it too soft. And then I'll go ahead and add my blended ingredients. I'll cover this, and then I'll allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. and then I'll give it a stir. And I'll transfer my stock into the stew. Give it another stir. And then after, I'm going to add my curry powder. And I'll give it another stir. Stir everything together. And I'll add my rosemary. And then after stirring, I'm going to allow it to cook for additional 5 to 7 minutes before adding in my meat. So I'm just going to leave it to cook on a very low heat. And then test it for salt. If you don't have enough salt, you add salt to it. So I just add about a tablespoon of salt to it, and then just leave it to cook slowly while I add in my chicken, my fried chicken. At this point, you don't need the fire to be too high. Just leave it to cook on a very low heat. And then you stir everything together until it is well combined. And then I'll go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients, which are the vegetables, my sliced vegetables. And then my pepper also. And then I'll go ahead and stir it all together slowly, gently, until it is well combined. And it's still cooking on a very low heat. You don't need too much heat at this point. Just low heat, stir all together. And then allow it to cook for about 2 more minutes because I don't want to overcook my veggies. And then it will be ready to serve with any food of your choice. You can serve with your white rice, your curry rice, your coconut rice. You can eat with anything of your choice, boiled yam, boiled plantain, any food of your choice. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your families and friends. Hit the notification bell, like, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a very lovely Sunday and a great weekend. Bye.